Hello everyone, it's Slay Ready, and this is the HyperX Cloud Stinger headset. Let me tell you a little something about them. So let's start off with who exactly is the HyperX Cloud Stinger for? Well, this headset is for anyone who needs a headset with a microphone, has a mid-range budget of around $50 and is looking for something that will work no matter what setup they have. If you've got a PC, you want to plug it in and have it work. If you want to listen to music on your phone, it plugs in, it works. If you want to play games on your Xbox or PlayStation 4, you guessed it, you plug it in and it works. And let me show you a little montage of that right now. So, does this headset have noise cancellation? Well, the short answer is no. However, I must say that the difference between having them off and having them on is really rather significant given that there's absolutely no kind of noise cancellation going on. So I think just because it's an over-ear design and because there's no loose ends in the cup, so it's like a closed cup design and it's over ear, it actually does a really good job of muting all kinds of background noises. So when there's actually something playing through the headset, you can really dial in and focus only on what's playing, and that's going to be all you hear. You're not going to get distracted by some background noise or anything. Obviously, if you've got a blender going on in the background, you'll hear it, but besides that, does the job. Let's talk about the mic quality. Now, actually, I'm going to record this segment using the microphone. So now you're going to hear the next segment through the microphone. I would say the microphone is quite good. I wonder if you could hear that motorcycle that was outside. The one thing I would love that they would add to this headset is called mic monitoring. So what that is when I'm speaking in the mic, it's kind of fed back into the ear cups. It avoids a situation where I'm talking super duper loudly or yelling without noticing it, because right now, because these ear cups do a kind of all right job at noise cancellation, to me it always sounds like I'm whispering no matter how loud I'm talking. So if there was a little bit of feedback from the mic back into the headset, that would be perfect. I have other headsets like that, and that would be the one feature I wish they would add to this headset. Otherwise, it's a great headset. Talk a little bit about the build quality. So right here we've got the mic, and the mic is actually really well built, and it's got this kind of elastic-ish boom, which when you move it, it kind of stays in place, which is great. So you can move it closer. You can put it in your mouth if you want. Unhygienic illness alert. We're not going to say that word. And if you move it away, it kind of stays away. And one great thing about this mic is if you just... Hey guys, Slay Ready from the future here. So I messed something up. Basically, it was recording through the mic, and when you move the mic up, the mic cuts out, and when you bring it back down, you can speak again. So that's how the mic mute function works on this headset. It's really great. It's really intuitive. Now let's get back to the video. Again, you bring that back down and you're talking again. So that's how the mic mute function works on this headset. It's really intuitive, and the more intuitive the features are, the more I like it.
So let's go into a little bit about the build quality of this headset. Now, it's a mostly plastic design. However, you've got some nice memory foam on top. You've got the really comfortable ear cups with this kind of leather looking thing covering them. And it's just a really, really comfortable design, and you can wear it for hours and hours and hours without feeling anything. As you can see here, I'm poking it a little bit. It's just really comfortable. The materials they chose are great. Now, here I am touching it a little bit again to show you how soft everything is. And you can just pull the headband out and the ear cups out, so it'll fit basically any head. And like I showed you before, the mic boom just kind of moves in and it moves out. Really works well. You can as well just put it up to mute it. As you can see, I approve of this feature very much. And when you put it on your head, see, you can just kind of pull it a little bit and it'll automatically match your head size. Once again, showing you how good the mic works, how easy it is to position it, and how comfortable it is and everything. Now, what am I grabbing here? So here you see me playing on my controller, showing you that it's just an overall very pleasant experience, and 5 hours later, you still won't notice that you've got it on. So let me show you one more thing, like Steve Jobs used to say. Now, if you have glasses, you can just put those on, put the headset on, and many headsets struggle here, but this one absolutely No problem. Here's an extra bonus clip of me going absolutely off while wearing this headset. My final thoughts will come right after.
Let's talk about the sound quality a little bit. So, you're paying 50 bucks for this thing. You're not going to get the top of the line sound quality where every single instrument sounds like angels are singing from the sky. But what you are going to get is something that's 80% as good as the best in class headset for a fraction of the price. If you want a really great headset, you're looking at 250 bucks minimum. So for 50 bucks to have something that's 80% as comfortable, 80% as good sound quality, 80% as good comfort, and all that for 1/5 of the price? I don't think you have to look further. If you enjoyed the review and you got something out of it, this is the part where I'm going to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe if I've earned it. And if you want to get one of these, I'm going to leave some links to Amazon links down below in the description, so feel free to use those to pick these up. And I wish you all a great day. See you guys in the next one.